How to do pin shading like a pro. Have you ever looked at a manga drawing and wondered why the shading looks so realistic? The secret isn't expensive pens or years of experience. It's using the right techniques consistently. In this video, I'll show you the basic pen shading methods that can instantly improve your artwork. Let's get started. The first and most important technique is hatching. Hatching means drawing a series of parallel lines. The closer the lines are to each other, the darker the area will appear. Keep your line spacing consistent and move your hand smoothly. Instead of pressing harder on the pen, create darker values by adding more lines. The second technique is cross-hatching. After drawing one layer of parallel lines, add another layer at a different angle. This creates deeper shadows and adds texture. Start with one layer, then slowly build up more layers only where the darkest shadows should be. Don't rush this step. Gradually building the darkness always gives cleaner results. Now let's talk about line direction. Many beginners shade in random directions, but professional artists make their lines follow the shape of the object. For example, if you're shading hair, let your strokes follow the flow of the hair. If you're shading a face, slightly curve your lines around the form. This simple change makes your drawings look much more three-dimensional. Next is controlling your line pressure. Try to use a light touch for most of your shading. Heavy pressure can make the drawing look rough and limit your ability to build smooth gradients. It's much better to create dark areas by layering light strokes instead of forcing the pen into the paper. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to make everything dark. Strong shading needs contrast. Leave some areas completely white so the dark shadows stand out. The difference between light and dark is what makes your drawing pop. Finally, practice using simple objects before jumping into detailed anime characters. Shade a sphere, a cube, or a cylinder first. Once you understand how light and shadow work on basic forms, applying those techniques to anime faces, hair, and clothing becomes much easier. Remember, professional pen shading isn't about drawing faster. It's about building values patiently, one layer at a time. With regular practice, your control and confidence will improve dramatically. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more anime drawing tutorials. And let me know in the comments which shading technique you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.